Time to get some common sense from Craig Bolanos, the CEO and founder of Wealth Management Group. Always good to have you here. And you're here to talk about how fast people can get an income tax return and also questions people might have about the childcare credit. Thanks again for being here. And the IRS, Craig, is still said to be digging out of a backlog of unprocessed returns from budget cuts back in 2019. What can Americans do if they need to get their money quickly from Uncle Sam?
Well, Angela, I understand and share that concern because it was reported that as of the end of the year, there were still 6 million unprocessed returns and more than 2 million amended returns still working their way through the IRS system. So my suggestion to everyone is as follows. Number one, don't file a paper return. Paper returns are like kryptonite to the IRS. It's such a manual process. It's just going to slow things down. Utilize e-file and direct deposit this time around to ensure your return and your refund, if you're owed, gets processed quickly and smoothly. Number two, just get organized. Right now is the time of year where everyone's going to get their W-2s, their 1099s, all these documents are coming in the mail. Have a central folder, a place, some methodology, a location to keep track of all your forms so that when you're ready for assembly, you're not looking for a document at the last minute. And number three, accuracy the first time around. So many people are enthused to go and capture that refund because we want to pay off the financial hangover from the holidays. The reality is you need to be accurate, then timely when you're filing your return. You don't want to make an error or an omission and go through delay courtesy of the IRS matching program.
There was also that stimulus money that involved childcare that a lot of people received. How does that work into the tax year?
Well, these two topics are huge. First of all, I need everyone to go back and look at your records this past spring. Did you receive your stimulus check? That was the third and final stimulus check. Some people got $1,400, some people got something in between, some got nothing. You're going to need to know that information when it comes to preparing your tax return. Number two, for all the moms and dads out there, all the parents, the child care tax credit was the story of 2021. Not only was it expanded, meaning it's worth more money, it also covered more kids, but 50% of that tax credit was actually advanced. People were getting monthly checks July through December. So what should you do? Number one, take a look. Go into your bank account, look at your check register and record. Did you get $300 a month, $250 a month, $167 a month per child? You're going to need to have accurate records going into tax season. Number two, when it's all said and done, what is your modified adjusted gross income? Did you make more money in 2021? If so, there's a danger you could owe back a portion or all of that child tax credit that was advanced to you. On the other side, maybe you had less earnings in 2021 than you did in 2020. That would make you eligible for more of the credit. The bottom line here is you need to get prepared. It's so important to understand that you have to have a command of the monies you did or did not receive, whether it was stimulus checks or in this case, the child care tax credit, to ensure that you're on the right side of filing when it comes to your expectations for your 2021 return. What's the bottom line for everybody? Work with a professional if you have questions. Seek to understand and then ultimately create strategies that can influence your modified adjusted gross income so you qualify for as many deductions and credits as you're legally entitled to. I'm Craig Bolanos, the CEO and founder of Wealth Management Group. If you'd like some help, you can get it. Check out our website, investwithwmg.com.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.